Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I'm the head of International Department of Braiden Consulting Law Firm. In this video, I will give you the most important information in the form of screencast about obtaining a private visa in Russia. Let's go. Okay, we have two types of private visas. The first one is 3-month single entry private visa, and right now it's possible to obtain a multiple entry private family visa for close relatives for 12 months, so for 1 year. Also, it's very important that the rule 90 out of 180 doesn't apply. So that means that you can stay the whole year here in Russia. All right, so what about the close relatives, right? So it's like your spouse, parents, children, then spouses of children, full and half siblings, grandparents, and grandchildren. The basis for obtaining a family visa is the invitation. So here, if we're talking about the 3 months single entry visa, here we need a person who is Russian citizen who will be the applicant, because this is a private visa and the applicant's address will be entered in your visa itself. That's why we need a Russian citizen who will be the applicant who will invite you here. And the here for the multiple entry visa, we just need your close relative. I will explain you how it works. So this is the procedure. Let's first take the 3 months visa. So the documents for obtaining the invitation are submitted to the Ministry of Internal Affairs. It takes, as normally, 21 working days for approval. And as I mentioned earlier, we need a Russian citizen for making this kind of invitation. Secondly, for the 1 year family visa, we just need to accompany your relative to the notary. There we will make certain documents for application for a family visa up to 12 months. So these documents will be submitted to the Russian consulate service. All right, let's go further. So when you'll receive your invitation, then you can make an appointment in Russian consulate service to stamp your visa. These are the documents that you need to bring there. Normally it takes about 3-5 working days for stamping your visa, but it always depends on the workload of the consulate service. It may be less or more. Okay, this is the list of needed documents as well. Please check the offer carefully. Then when you come to Russia, please don't forget to be registered within 7 working days, so you wouldn't have the fine, which is 5,000 rubles. We can always help you with the registration if you need to. You can find this information here in additional services category. This is the cost. So the invoice for payment will be issued in US dollars according to the exchange rate on the date of the invoice. Here is the payment procedure. So if you have any sort of questions, please contact Braiden Consulting staff. We'll be happy to help you, and see you in Russia. Thank you for watching. I hope this screencast was useful and helpful for you. Please subscribe to our social media, to our YouTube channel, Telegram. We post useful information on a daily basis there. Stay tuned with Braiden Consulting.